Hey friends, if you encounter the data error cyclic redundancy check error on your computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, here's what you need to understand about this error. This means that there is an issue with your hard drive. Most probably it is a HDD drive. If not, then there is in some very rare cases it could be with an SSD drive as well, but mostly with the HDD drive. So if you encounter this error, there is not much that you can do, but let us try. So the first solution is obviously a check disk scan, which will check your disk for errors. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator to open the elevated command prompt window. Type the command chkdsk space forward slash r space forward slash f and hit enter. I'll repeat the command chkdsk space forward slash r space forward slash f. Now press Y and then hit enter to initiate the check disk scan. I won't hit it because it was started on my system, but you can type Y and hit enter. And it will need a while. Then you need to restart your computer. Right click on the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart. And once it restarts the computer, it will start checking for the disk errors. The next solution is that you can perform a disk error check on the C drive if the issue is with the C drive, which it most probably is. So we'll go to this PC, right click on the C drive, select show more options, select properties, and then go to tools, click on check and click on scan drive. It will start scanning the C drive. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator to open the elevated command prompt window. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. This is the last that you can do. If it doesn't work, then you will have to call a hardware technician and get the hard disk replaced. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.